Chili Festival every fall here in Pueblo, Colorado. I definitely recommend you come and see Tito Maso Farm. They got Anaheim, they have Pueblo chili, they got jalapenos, they got the whole 9 yards. Come see this lovely young lady, she'll hook you up. So guys, we are just about done here at the Pueblo Chili Festival. I want to give a huge shout out to the city of Pueblo, to everybody that helped put this together. Everyone here was super nice. From Out and About, that's going to be it for today's episode. I'm Manny and this is Out and About.